everyone, welcome back to my channel. Welcome to another Glam Life vlog. So I am heading to a movie premiere today. I'm going to a Netflix movie premiere. I haven't been to one of them for a while because there was like a whole SAG-AFTRA strike, so I wasn't going to any, and now I am going because it's all over. If you're new to my channel, my name is Arika. I do some beauty, fashion, and fitness videos here on YouTube, so don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Click on the subscribe button below, and also make sure to keep in touch with me on all of my other social media platforms. So I'm wearing the Skims corset top, and I paired it with like these random Marciano pants, or like dress pants, but I don't know, like I feel like I never really put together an outfit last minute like that that's not like matching. I like to kind of wear things that like I'm really comfortable with, and right now I don't really feel like that comfortable in this fit, but I'm heading to the premiere and I'm gonna vlog this, so I'm gonna be bringing my camera and recording, so I will see you guys there at the premiere. But I love my outfit. I love the top, I love the choker. It came with a matching choker, but then the pants and then the belt that I added, I don't know, it feels really weird, but I think it's gonna look cute. All right, see ya, bye. Have my little ticket. Nicole and I are going in. She like helped me with my little red carpet video. You could like see it here. She helped me with my little red carpet video. Yes. Okay, so I just got home from the movie premiere. Oh my gosh, that movie was so uplifting and motivating and inspiring. It is called The Greatest Night of Pop, and it's all about the pop superstars making and creating the song We Are the World, and it was just so amazing. So I feel very inspired, and I'm home now with full glam, ready to take all of this makeup off and ready to take a shower. But I wanted to share with you guys like kind of like my little secret get unready with me. So you guys know I'm Japanese. I love Japanese beauty products and just like using Japanese products because I grew up with my parents who are from Japan, and I also visit Japan quite a bit, so I know a lot about like the Japanese tricks. And I feel like one of the secrets that the Japanese people like have is our exfoliating towel. Like every day I use this in the shower instead of like a loofah. I have a loofah, but like I love using this because I feel like I really get all of my skin exfoliated and off. I feel like this is like the original like dry brushing item. I feel like this is what we've always used as Japanese kids growing up. So I just found a new brand and I love this brand. It is called Sima, and I have a bunch, so I just wanted to show you guys what it looks like in the package. But I love these, and I feel like I always get like the spots. Like I literally go like this in the shower, and so I'm gonna bathe right now, but I'm actually gonna do like my hair routine as well. So I'm gonna do like Olaplex hair treatment. I'm doing everything tonight because I have like a hair washing schedule, and I take a shower and bath like every night, or like shower or bath every night. My favorite is a bath. I took a bath last night, but tonight I think I'm gonna shower because I'm gonna wash like all my hair. So I'm gonna be doing that, and then yeah, so I'm gonna do a little unready with me tonight. But I just want to share with you guys this Sima towel. You really get everything off, so yeah, I just love it. And I also have like a lot of spray tan on all the time, and I feel like I can really exfoliate with this more than any other like towel or brush or anything like that. This one, the Japanese exfoliating towel, is the one to use, and I love this one because it's like darker, so then you know it doesn't really like show like that it gets like dirty or like it fades. I just love this one. It's gorgeous. And so yeah, this is what I use. The Sima exfoliating towel really helps with my hygiene because it is antibacterial and doesn't harbor any mold or bacteria, and it stays fresh and clean for the next shower. Picking up a racket because Jeremy and I are gonna start playing tennis. This is like the only one they have here. Like literally like the store is bare always. I don't know why it's like that. It's like a city Target, that's why.
Yeah,
okay, so now
so good.
it's like not that good. Yeah, this Target is not good, but this is the one that we go to all the time. Jeremy's been my friend for like literally 15 years.
Long time.
We used to be TV hosts together. Now we're like just friends because we don't really co-host together. But we're gonna start doing it. We're gonna start hosting again. You're so tall, like it's really hard to like get him in the video. Yeah, let's look at the other stuff. We're at Target. I have to scan this. How do you scan it? Oh, $22.99. Such a steal.
Watch it be like the same one that I have.
Is it?
It might be, I don't know.
We're gonna start playing tennis, so we'll just have matching. It's okay. Oh my gosh, another fitting. Okay, so Ceci is here. You can be in it. My vlog. Oh my god, she doesn't have to hide. I swear everyone is like always scared of my vlog. But we have outfits today here. Okay, tell us about it because I want other people to talk in my vlog too, so I'm literally always the only one talking. So tell us about what's here. She doesn't want to do it. I know she doesn't want to do it. I put her on the spot. Okay, so I'll tell you guys. We have this area top, and this is for what? This is for the Makeup Forever event?
Yes.
Okay, Makeup Forever event with this dress. We'll see. So cute. So Ceci is like my stylist. Well, she is. And she's also my friend. And her boyfriend also trains me, so it's like a whole family movement, Team Arika. And this is a Dion Lee dress that we're gonna try. And then, oh my gosh, I am like getting it all messed up. Okay. And then this is a Laquan Smith dress. We're gonna try all of these. Yay! Okay, I'm gonna change into them. Okay, it like kind of fits. Okay, it is on. I love it. It's so cute. And normally I don't like patterns. Wait, I feel like the jacket makes it too much. No? I don't know.
I really like it. It's cute.
I feel like it's too. Whoa. This dress is cute because it's like snatched.
Yeah.
But the jacket's like
too much.
It's too much, no? I don't know.
Maybe try it without the jacket and then some gold shoes.
I think the jacket is too much. Okay, so this is the Dion Lee dress. It's like snatched, but it's kind of like giving club girl Vegas. I don't know. It's cute, but it's like.
Do you have jackets that maybe you can?
Yeah, I definitely have to wear a jacket because the boobs.
Yeah.
The boobs are out. It's giving Vegas, giving kind of like. I feel like it's too sexy. I don't know, my style's not that sexy anymore. It's like I'm done with it. Like I don't really do that anymore. So we're gonna try this Laquan Smith, and I feel like it's sexy, but it's like, I don't know, the lapels make it not so clubby.
Yes.
So we'll try this. This one is more like sexy, but like, I don't know, for some reason it's like professional, more of a look. Cause maybe because it's like the design is like more intricate and like just like thought out. I think that's what I feel.
Yes.
And I love it. And like my waist, like literally, look at this waist. I can't believe I don't even know if my body looks like that in real life. Like it's so crazy. Look what it did.
It's so cute.
Obsessed. Okay.
Obsessed.
On to the next. Wait, we don't have it. That's like, that's it. Okay, we're done. This is the look with like some black, like maybe like the black, like little, not naked shoe, but like a little black tiny shoe. And then a black bag, hair down and like huge. Or I could even do my hair like kind of, not slick back, but like part back. And then just long and straight back. Yeah. Done. Bye. At Dialogue Cafe. Actually, the last time you guys were in my vlog, it was at Coachella. So they are in it again. But look at my food. I can't wait. I'm so hungry. They said it was going to take 30 minutes to get the food, but it came in literally 5 minutes, I feel, right? Like 5-10 minutes. So fast. So we were expecting to wait a long time, but my food's here. Yay. Oh, you could be my vlog. What are you doing? Yeah, I got a Thai. Oh, okay. I'm gonna get matcha, I think. You know, my Japanese roots. Well, I'm gonna get a matcha. And then this looks so good. just got home from the White Fox event and I am ready to change and get ready for another party tonight. But I wanted to actually end the vlog right here because I was editing it and rewatching it, and I feel like I kind of just did a bunch of stuff and a lot of things happened in this vlog. I like to go on TikTok live in this room, so I kind of just ate and then I'm eating again. I'm actually eating papaya right now. I've been actually working pretty hard on my vlogs. I want my channel to be back to where it used to be, where I would vlog about like all of my festivities, activities, and adventures and everything that I did. So I want to bring like all of the glam life vlogs back, like how it used to be. So I'm trying to get my channel to be like that again. So if you are new to my channel, my name is Arika. I do some beauty, fashion, and fitness videos here on YouTube and all of my fun glam life vlogs. So definitely subscribe to my channel, click on the subscribe button below, and also make sure to follow me and keep in touch with me on all of my other platforms. I do have a fashion line as well that I started here in Los Angeles that I was really hands-on with it and literally like went to the manufacturer here, looked for one, found the fabric, went to the cutting, the sewing, and did everything here in LA. So definitely check out luxaribrand.com. I will see you in my next Glam Life vlog that I'm going to be starting in a few hours. But yeah, I'm going to change and then get ready and then go to another event. So thank you guys so much for watching this video, and I'll see you in my next vlog. Bye. Mwah.